It is with immense pleasure and honor to welcome you all to the 7th Congress of the Saudi Society of Nephrology and Transplantation to be held from 18 to 20 November 2021. Through the advancements of the virtual platform and with the participation of our distinguished guest speakers and leading experts, we hope to bring you all the latest updates and innovations on our 3 days Congress on clinical nephrology, dialysis, and transplantation. Join us for this memorable virtual experience through the easy sign-in process in the following steps. Open the link provided on the registration email sent to you prior, and it will direct you to the virtual conference user login portal. Kindly enter your email address and password provided to you on your received registration email. In case you have forgotten your password, you may click on the Forgotten Password button and you will receive an email to reset your password. In case you have not registered yet, kindly click on the button for Register Now. Lobby. Once you have signed in, you will be directed to the main lobby. This will be your ideal starting point. You may edit your profile by clicking on the profile icon on the upper right corner and the notification bell icon beside the profile icon, which serves as the notification for the latest announcement of the virtual conference. While zooming in all tabs. You can switch between halls with just one click on the lobby or by clicking the tabs located at the upper side of your dashboard without any hassle or long walks. Auditorium. Here in the auditorium, you will attend live sessions in webinar format. Please take note of the following upon attending a session. Click this maximum icon to view in full screen, and make sure to join audio by computer by clicking the headphones icon. You may click the Q&A type box by clicking the Q&A icon to ask questions related to the ongoing session, and the moderator will assist you. Click the Leave Webinar button to leave the session. Agenda. You will find the agenda according to the hall. When you click the Join Session button, it will automatically take you to the live session. And down here is a button where you may add to your Google Calendar to pin on your schedule and keep you notified. Abstract Hall. As for the Abstract Hall, you may view the abstracts by clicking the PDF icon located at the right side of the screen and switch between pages to view more of the submitted abstracts by clicking the Next Page icon. Just click on the X button for leaving the abstract page. Exhibit Hall. In this unique virtual exhibition hall, our industry partners will showcase the latest devices, innovations, and interventional therapies. Even the booth is designed to look realistic and includes documents, videos, individual branding, and contacts. When you click the booth, you may check their services provided in the description box. And you can add their documents or videos to your virtual bag and send it to your email. You will also have the opportunity to interact with our industry partners by asking live questions by joining the Start Chat button. Information Desk. Here in the Information Desk, type your questions and get your answers in real time from our online representatives. Speakers Lounge. This lounge is only dedicated for the speakers and moderators. Networking Lounge. Lastly, the Networking Lounge is dedicated for live chat through group and private chat rooms with other participants. On behalf of the Organizing Committee, Scientific Committee, and Abstract Review Committee of the 7th SSNT Congress, we hope that we exceed your expectations and enhance the knowledge and experience you already possess. We are looking forward to making this Congress a memorable and fulfilling event for all.